Maglagay ng, mark or magbigay ng, comments o mag-comments dito sa aking, live or sa mga videos na nilalagay po natin or sa mga videos na ginagawa po natin para mabigyan po kita ng, response as, after on or after this, live. So, ah, some globes, um sorry, some globes, because I cannot use the, rubber gloves today because I use it for, applying medicine this, morning. So, uh, I had left there at, my, um, garden. Yan, so, but anyway, thank you so much for always, reminding us to wear, the gloves whenever and whatever we do. Yan, thank you so much. Okay, so, some gloves, sorry, because I cannot wear the, rubber gloves because I left at the mountain, at my, tomato farm because, I had, apply, medicine for my plants, this morning. Yan, okay? So sorry. Testing mic. Nagkakaproblema yung connection ng mic natin, guys. Grounded. Oh, sakit sa tainga. Grounded kasi yung ano, yung mic natin. Yo. You. Oh my, testing. Yeah, and good afternoon to each and every one of us. And thank you so much for, your support. Okay. Just a simple, live today, this afternoon. Just as, simple, silent live. Yan, okay. While we are in our home.
In nature.
Yo. Okay. So, shout out po sa lahat po ng mga, avid viewers po natin diyan sa ibang bansa. Lahat po ng mga OFWs natin, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Medyo masama yung ano, yung, boses ko dun sa isa. Yan, sa mga avid viewers po natin diyan sa ibang bansa, mga OFWs po natin, mga minamahal po natin na OFWs, Yan, shout out po sa inyo lahat.